Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, my family and friends. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us around us. See? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you grow the platform. You see it? Yes, right there. See? Yo. I man say a little thing going on with the police the other day. Right, but I don't know when, but it look like a quite recent still. A couple of them going to see it already and have some backstory or some more information surrounding the thing, some clarity. You see it? But, you know, we have to discuss it and see what and hear what really are going on. So, it could only be a few reasons for action like them, yeah. You see it? And it's shocking, and it's not too shocking, but it's shocking still. It's shocking. So we want to examine it and see what I want. See? So I'll take in the video later and we'll get back into it after and see what I go on. Yeah, bless.
Right, they can't lie that there.
Yo, get out of the blood clot. Take out your foot.
General. General, all that. That's can't go on yourself.
Richie, I hear you. What you talking for?
They can't lie
What
that
is
there.
that
They
with
can't lie that there.
What is that with what?
They can't lie that there. They can't lie that there. Right, they can't lie that there.
I hear you. But your blood clot left you make him a run.
Yo, General, no.
Oh, I'm your pussy one.
No.
What you gonna do? No one police no work. Anything you come if I do that.
That can't do, that can't
Come take out gun. Now I'm your fool. You can't do man some. Understand yourself if you are doing work to be professional. What they have done buckler. Hey, let me show you this. If you are doing work, you do that professional bumble one. You think you can? Hey! Are you pussy or you youth as a time woman? Me not blood crap. Pussy are you coming at me? Me not move. Kill me. Bumble. I was sitting there. Bust blood clot boy coming on move. Oh, there no one police to work. But the blood clot to come and say, everything will come and say, oh, yes, make him do what I'm doing. Yeah, man, escalate it now. We can't show you no sense. You know, no sense. No one police to work. Oh, me? Shoot me now.
Yeah, the video.
It's police! You don't say a blood clot thief that! You don't say I eat that! Who jump? A suck your man! Just on that jump! Fuck up! Fast, you can't!
Him nah jug, man. Nah jug.
You alone can't come in!
You're not telling what me can't.
You alone can't come! Let me tell you that. You alone can't come here.
I'll be a businessman there saying about.
You alone can't come here. Come to that way do a while ago. 1776. Don't worry yourself.
Tell me what fuck up.
You don't worry yourself. Shoot me, man. You shoot me, man. Pussy hole. You want to know who call you. Because you alone can't come. Let me tell you this blood clot.
Yeah. It looked like the policeman went to Africa arrest. Somewhat. But it looked like him and the people have some form of familiarity. I go on, otherwise, like them know him. Then again, him no look like him you know, him no look prepared him not look prepared. That would be like him a come on or a go home on him own and see somebody who have a warrant, you know. But, you know, you have to try to explain the rational reasons them for them action there. See and decide say him carrying the person by himself. Now we look on Jamaica today and the climate how war go on and things like that. Would I see that rather be such too much of a big move, too much for ask. You know, any commanding officer that would be too much to ask in a situation like that, him outnumbered in a corner with, you know what I say? So the best thing for do is get help and support before you even approach her. You know what I say? Try anything like that. You just stay in a surveillance mode and coaching your backup as someone that expects that to play out. See? The other scenario is him mad. It look like the officer suffer a mental breakdown. And the most obvious reason that we could have did see. That's because even after when all is said and done, him action, you know, and then a threat, discharge a firearm like that in a public, pan camera, them way there, you know, see it, I wonder kind of rogue business are going on there, so, you know. We know, you know, again, you know what, one time gone them thing there, police do them thing there, regular, you know, regular, without caution. You know, see, nobody not challenge them about that. But over time, I get to say, based on police action in a public these days, I man observe say police not too abuse them power there, too tough no more. Cause even them themselves look like they will get charged for, you know, illegal discharge of firearm or something like that in the public. You know, see? So if you say that one year do it like that, you know, we have to just factor in the mental faculty. You know, see it. We have to just factor in the mental faculty and give thanks, say, him never hurt nobody. You know, in him, you know, emotions and things like that. We have to give thanks because at the end of the day, that don't look like a rational, that don't look like a normal action for a policeman. You know? You know, it don't look normal to me. It's not acceptable, you know. See, and I say, we not condemn the act and the whole thing. We are doing, we don't embrace them thing there, we don't endorse them sort of bully boy is him there. No time, no day. You know, see, but what we are say, we have to, you know, we have to observe the thing from, you know, a rational perspective and be balanced. See, because I'm career. See, him no want to lose it. I'm sure him had many occasions where him could have, many opportunities where him could have do that. If him did have that pension, so probably he would have reached this far in the force without getting, you know, punished or something like that. You know, see it. But come to think, you know, it's the pressure and the whole nature of crime and them thing there in Jamaica. It have its effect on people. And plus the police them, a frontline them there. You see it, and them see the result of everything. And them affair, you know, balance the nerves, the focus and the concentration. And know so them a target to number one target. So the probability for most of them or some of them have mental health issue, it's high. You see, you have people in a whole heap of other places where no struggle with them really. Remember one we used to name Marant, you know, in our area when we were youth. You know, see, Marant him used to go around and smoke a bad up the coke dealer them. Take with them coke, smoke it off and them little thing they and go around Rockfort and kill who him want, kill him, just do run through rampant. You know, see it? One day, me and my little brethren stand up attack me about 13, 14. Little pick me, you know, stand up attack in the darkness and the man pull up in a star. And back way up, you know, so the man, it's like the man just look for a reason, you know. The man search you and like he wants to them too young. Leave them young, you know. All the reason like the question them we must go answer tomorrow morning, you know. Why Marat no kill we? You know see it? And them time there, we know it never stressful. You know, them never so paranoid. Like no, but he was when him paranoid above fame time. You know see it? We are here at fame time cause I come like I saw them days yeah. The police them fear look and I think and I feel them really not them days there. You know see it? But again, it was like a kind of initiation type of thing, a kind of thing where, you know, you get recognition and respect for them thing there. More than, well, little I know investigation no follow up when police go in and give statements so them kill somebody. I could have 10 people. Stay Adams get away with 7 there. You know see it? So I just saw it go. And again, you can imagine we as youth stand up there. You know see it? And we know how that. You know see it? And we know where my daily the mind made up and everything. You know see it? The only thing probably I hold him back, man, are the paperwork where I think about tomorrow. I was a stiff, stark madman that. May I tell you that, cause the 2 of we could have been 2 son them 2 times over. You see it? So it's not impossible. Because I can't see it no other way. Because we give thanks, say, no life, no loss. You know, see it, and man still standing and man still firm and things like that, you know? Yeah, because I could have did far worse, because that look like a mental case, Rasta. You know, see it? Anyway, I look forward to the item input and the item comment and what the item think about that guy here. You know, see it? You know, I say him not forget discipline. You know, see it, but you have to factor in certain measures. Unless I'm friend them they were in a business with and the way it name there. The chopping go on and the chop money us. Share right. And a guy come then up on him own and a defend him thing and show the man them no say a corrupt idiot that them nah show him no respect or no fear. You know see it? And decide say boy run him way. But him look like him know him there on camera and I behave like that. And nowadays the likelihood for a guy there on camera while him perform in a public, you know, it broad. So, you know, we don't know Rasta, I man what, all right. You see, if a corruption that, if I go get root out, him bed already spread. Him there on camera. You know, see, and it will explain itself. The man they not having it. You know, see, but we have to look on one of the main things might be a problem amongst us and our mental issues still. You know, see. Anyway, we give thanks. We're not going to long it all the time. Yeah, man. Blessed.